We came across this Excel bug while assisting some clients on MRI property software, formerly MDA. So what you'll see here is the way the MDA software or MRI property software works. It's got company codes and ledgers, and typically they are I for income, a number, or E for expense and a number. It's very common, join them together with some sort of concatenate, and then we want to pull through the information based on that. So this is the company for expense item 102. So if we do a SUMIFS on this, so let's quickly do that. You'll see we're going to say, please add up that. Look in our new concatenate column and use that criteria there. When I say OK, you'll see it gives 120. However, this 4E102 is actually 0. What it's actually doing is adding all these up. The reason it seems to do it is because it's confusing this E, which stands for ledger E101, with the exponential item. So it's not actually seeing it correctly. So for this, in this particular case, we highly recommend that you use some sort of a delimiter. You'll see here we've used a upwards line, so that when we now search for it with the SUMIFS in this case, so we say add up that based on what you see here, using that, it correctly brings through the 0. So if your SUMIFS are not working correctly, just see that Excel is treating your criteria correctly.